This quick guide shows how to buy shares of STEICOSE using the stock ticker ST5.DE. STEICOSE makes wood fiber insulation and other building products and trades on Xetra as ST5.DE, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. You need a broker to trade stocks, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ST5.DE to find the listing. Select the matching STEICOSE entry to open the asset page. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and view the price chart. Double-check the company name, exchange Xetra, and ticker to confirm it is the correct STEICOSE share. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your STEICOSE position will appear in your portfolio. For a link to the platform used in this demo, check the description below.